Ring cameras only catch motion outside your door. Mine started pinging every night at exactly 3:33, showing nothing but an empty porch. On the fourth night, something stood at the edge of the porch light, too tall, too still, facing straight at the lens. Each night after, it stood one step closer. By the sixth night, it filled the whole frame, so close the picture blurred into static. I told myself the camera only watches outside. Then last night, my phone buzzed again. The clip showed my own bedroom, dark and quiet. The timestamp read 3:33, and past my sleeping shape in the bed, the closet door stood wide open,